依家係晚上11點，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。8號東北烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺晚上11點，強烈熱帶風暴馬鞍集結喺香港以南約210公里，即係喺北緯20.4度、東經114.3度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速約28公里，大致移向廣東西部沿岸。按照現時預測路徑，馬鞍喺明早最接近香港，喺本港西南偏南約200公里範圍內掠過。8號烈風或暴風信號會至少維持至明早6點。市民明日早上出門前請留意最新天氣報告。海面有非常大浪及湧浪，市民應遠離岸邊並停止所有水上活動。受風暴潮影響及時值天文漲潮，鰂魚涌嘅海水高度會喺明日上午5點至9點期間上漲至海圖基準面以上約3米，即比正常升高1米左右。海水上漲可能會引致低窪地區出現水浸，市民應盡量避免進入可能受影響嘅低窪地區及遠離危況。喺過去1個小時，昂坪、大老山及橫瀾島分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時96、82及75公里，最高陣風分別為每小時129、106及93公里。請繼續採取家中各項防風措施，將門窗鎖緊，若有橫閂應加上，將膠紙條貼喺當風嘅大玻璃窗上，萬一玻璃破裂，亦可減少損傷。請盡快完成清除渠道嘅落葉同埋垃圾，切勿喺屋內當風嘅窗戶附近站立，預早選定屋內一個安全地方，以防玻璃萬一破裂時可以躲避。光管招牌嘅物主，請截斷招牌嘅電源。有關最新天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分及踏正嘅風暴消息。
It's 11 o'clock at night. The Radio Television Hong Kong's latest typhoon update. The number 8 northeast gale storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the northeast quarter. At 11 p.m., severe tropical storm Ma-on was centered about 210 kilometers south of Hong Kong, which is near 20.4 degrees north, 114.3 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 28 kilometers per hour in the general direction of the coast of western Guangdong. According to the present forecast track, Ma-on will be closest to Hong Kong tomorrow morning and will skirt within around 200 kilometers to the south-southwest of the territory. Number 8 gale storm signal will remain in force at least until 6 a.m. tomorrow. Members of the public are advised to take note of the latest weather information before departing in the morning. Seas will be very rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. Under the influence of storm surge and astronomical high tide, a high water level of around 3 meters above chart datum, or about 1 meter above the normal tide heights at Quarry Bay between 5 a.m. and 9 a.m. tomorrow. The high water level may cause flooding in low-lying areas. You should avoid going to likely affected low-lying areas and stay away from dangerous places. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nong Ping, Tates Cairn and Waglan Island were 96, 82 and 75 km per hour with maximum gusts 129, 106 and 93 km per hour respectively. Continue to exercise all precautions in your home. Lock all windows and doors, insert reinforced shutters and gates, if they are available. Adhesive tape fixed to large window panes in exposed positions will reduce damage and injury by broken glass. Drains should be cleared of leaves and rubbish as soon as possible. Do not stand near windows on the exposed side of your home. Make sure you have a safe place to shelter should windows be broken. Owners of neon signs should switch off the electricity supply to the signs. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours of 15, 30, 45 and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. Well, that's the end of the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。